Informatica Cloud, so we could able to achieve what 100% of parameterization at mapping level and also at task level. I think we have seen that. So once we understand this, then the next step is what? Let us try getting into what you call understanding other types of tasks. For example, let's say, so we have done something in the power center. I think I talked about it. Let me repeat this because it's one of the important tasks, because most of the projects are done by using power center, right? So we need to know how to get it integrated with this particular IACS. So yesterday, I think we just talked about simple straight-through mapping, which is done in Power Center, and how we can make it available in this IACS. Only that part we discussed. Let me repeat that, and then we'll also integrate some other Power Center workflows, like which uses expression transformation or Java transformation, right? So that you'll get a feel of, okay, even if you have complex transformations within Power Center, right? Those things also can be migrated to ISCS. So let us choose a file which is going to be, let us say, so I think they're all starting with WF, right? I think this part we have done, simple source and target. Yeah. So I'm just trying to repeat that. Power Center task with straight through. So this is straight through mapping, right? Now, so other things, I think we talked about it. If you want, we can have parameterization. It's optional thing. Yeah. Okay. So let's run this. So yesterday's session was important session because the parameterization, right? That's one of the key important feature within this ISCS, because here anything and everything can be parameterized in simple terms, which is very difficult to do it in Power Center, especially at transformation level. Yeah. And next, we've also understood like how to create our own task with our own configuration, which means building a templates. So that's also very tough to achieve it in Power Center. Here we could do it quite easily. Yeah. Those are the two important topics. Yeah. So today we are trying to focus on integration stuff. Plus, we'll also talk about some other types of tasks supported by IACS. Yeah. That's a plan. Okay, let us try to refresh. So we got all the 9 rows got processed. That's what we expected, right? I think we've already seen that in this particular what the data location of secure agent, right? So that's where we saw the result, which is SAQ out file, right? So we expect all the 9 rows to be part of this. See, we got all the 9 rows. Yes, we have seen that already. Now, let us try to focus on a bit complicated what workflows which are done in this Power Center. Yeah. So let us say, again, we'll be using Power Center task and click on create and start getting it imported, which is Power Center task with expression. Fine. So let us see whether we could able to migrate it or not. See, whatever functions that are supported in this power center, right, as part of expression, all are supported as part of IACS also. Yeah, right. So WF expression. Let's see. In case if it is not supported, you'll get to see appropriate error. Yeah. Yes, it is done now. Yes. Now let us see the result of this particular expression within this ISS environment. See how easy is this? Because a migration is possible. But there is a pre-built tool within this ISCS. So using that also we could able to what migrate from power center to what ISCS. Yeah. So that's also possible here. Yes. So let us try to refresh this. See, all the 9 rows got processed, but so we need to look at the result of this particular expression and see whether 741 is it the right one? Something else. So let us see. So this is not the one, right? This is simple straight through logic. Yeah. But what we wanted was with expression transformation. So now we can look at what oh, I see to one only. So here also we've got looks like straight through stuff. And yeah, or we can also see in the tablet also. Here also we don't have any new file that got generated here. So in that case, what we need to do, we can just go to source location and open that XML file and see what kind of expression that we have it over here. Yeah. Let's open this file. Yeah. So we got C1, C2, C3, source qualifier. But what we wanted was expression transformation, right? Though we are using expression, we are not performing expression part here. That's a straight through logic we have. Fine. Let us try to import another one, which is going to be Another expression. Or Java also could do it. Straight through logic we have, though we have got expression. Yeah. So let us see Java stuff. Yeah. So we'll try to do Java transformation independently, which is power center task with a Java, and then save it. And then run it. Yes, let us try to refresh. See, it is failed. The reason is what? J.txt is not there. No, let us see. Now we can just copy this j.txt in the data location. Yeah. Yes. So it expects the data from that file because here I think you have data. Yes, data. This input data, right? So with this input data, it is going to split and get us the result of first two fields, which is 1A, 2A, 1B, 2B, all that. Yeah. But let us see whether we are going to get that result or not. Because by default, expect the data from that $PM source file there, right, in Power Center. So equivalent thing in this ISCS is what data folder. Yeah. Okay. So let us try to refresh. See, we can see 4 rows. See, all the rows got processed. Now we can look at it, the result here. So we can see, right? seqj dot out. Yeah. See, we got first two, right? That's what happens with this Java transformation. For example, let us try doing it within this ISCS where we use what? Java transformation. So let us try to build a mapping. And here also we should get the same result if we do it independently. Yeah. So mapping with Java transformation, right? The first thing we need to get the source data, which is j.txt. Just now we saw, right, in this source, which is what? j.txt, this one. Yeah. So it has got only one field. It means we should not use comma delimiter here. Instead, we need to use what? Other than that. So that complete row data will be stored in a single field. Yeah. Let us do that. Oh, we should not use this. So we should use what? j.txt, right? Yeah. And then say, okay. Yes. Now, if you look at this preview data, right, we can see only first field value because comma separator, right? Yeah. But we wanted complete thing. To do that, so we need to select the delimiter other than comma. That's a colon. We don't have colon, right? See, we got the complete data that got stored in what? A single field. And said done. So now we can see fields. There's only one. This is okay. Now we got the data. The next step is what? We need JDK, which is Java Development Kit, which includes Java compiler and also java.exe, which is JRE, Java Runtime Environment. Yeah. So wherever this particular what secure agent got installed, right? In that environment, we expect what this JDK. Can you see here? There is a JDK here. So wherever it got installed, we expect what? JDK. Yeah. So here within this JDK, we got bin folder where we can see two executables or two applications, one for compilation, other for running, right? So make sure that these two are available, because without Java C, we cannot compile the Java code, right? Now, let's go to Java transformation where we can get some Java piece. Let us say I've already kept some Java code here. So which will be used to split the input data into what? Multiple fields. Here it is splitting based on what? Comma separated. Yeah. Where splitting only based on first two fields. It is checking whether we have got after splitting, right? Whether we have got more than two or not. Yeah. Then if it has got more than or equal to two, then output row equal to row split 0, which is a first field value, row split 1, which is what? Second field value, with a comma separator. So both are concatenated and kept it in what? Single output field, which is output row. Now, let us try to copy this. Okay, now we can just go and paste it here. Where do we need to paste? That we need to take a look at. So click on Java, where we can start understanding like where to place the code. See, can you see here import packages, helper code? Import package means if you want to perform some extra thing, we can just import packages. Example, import Java utilities there, or import java.math or java.awt, java. Whatever, you know, package and corresponding classes that you want, right? We can place those things over here, which is part of import packages block. Then helper code is basically to uh, supply at to place utility code or common code which will be used. So this is where we need to place the code on input row, where we place the set of statements which will be executable. Yeah. So now let me just paste it. That's it. Now, see, row is an input field. So we can see row dot split, which means string. This is string, right? Split means it is going to split that row data based on what? Comma separator here, right? So, and first three, which is 1A, comma 2A, example 3A, it has become 3, right? Now, row split, which is what? Array of strings, right? This one, it is returning what? Array of strings. So here we have got returning is storing output of this split method. Then check for length, which is greater than or equal to 2. If yes, uh, get first field value and also get second field value and also concatenate with comma separator and store this in output field, which is what the output row, right? So that's what we can see, like how we can what you call store output of this two fields, you can say, because after splitting, no, it will become two, right? And store it in what? Single output. Now, if we try to compile this, so to compile, so we need to make sure that we select the right runtime environment. Let us say we have got one local environment. I've just selected it. Then compile this. Anyway, we have environment, right, which is Java compiler, all that. Yeah. So I'm trying to show it because we have imported from Power Center to IICS. Now we are trying to do it here also. See, we got compilation error, which is the variable output row location cannot find symbol. So output, see, we can just click on it, which will take you to the error line number. Copy this and add output field because we have not added output field here. So let us copy and paste. That's it. Yeah. Now let us recompile because save and recompile. Yes. So this is done, but it's invalid. Okay. This compile it because compilation should be successful. See. Yes. Now this part is done. Now we need to configure the target. Okay, let us apply the target file connection. Select, supply this name, which is Java result, right? Based on single field we are trying to do, which means single field string data. We are trying to split it into what? Multiple subfields based on what comma delimiter. Yeah, just to understand like how to make use of Java transformation. Because once you understand this, then we can just perform any kind of Java operation. So mapping underscore Java with string as input, right? And save it. Yeah, and then run. Yeah, now run this. Okay, so let us try to refresh. See, it is successful, but no rows got processed because if you want to process that rows, then what we need to do? So we need to make use of API, which is generate row, right? So which is part of this APIs tab. Let us say that. So there's APIs, right, tab, where we can see if you just place the pointer here, where we can see multiple methods here. So we need to use this particular generate process from method so that whatever result that we got it from this set of statements, they'll be processed to the downstream. Yeah. So let's see. That's it. Now let us save. Oh, there's invalid. Huh? Where? We need to compile. Any change that you do here, right? It requires recompilation. Yes, this is fine. Now let us save after compilation. Mapping should be valid also. So this is perfect, right? Now we can just run this. Yeah. Now click on my jobs. So let us try to refresh. See, now all the rows got processed. Now we need to verify the result. Like whatever we get it here, is it same as we got it from Power Center or not? Yeah. So let us see that. So this one, right? See, last output row field, right? Output row. 1A, 2A, 1B, 2B, 1C, 2C, 1D, 2D. That's it. It is same as what we got even with the Power Center, right? But Power Center, we just captured only output row, but here we have also captured even source data. This is source data, right? This is our target data. This is our expectation. Now let us say we need first three fields instead of two only. In that case, how do you take care? We just have to modify the code. Yeah. So to do that, so you can just uh, what specify for here and add one more here, which is going to be copy and paste and specify two. Yeah. Let us save this and then compile. Sorry, save and compile. Hmm. Oh, there's error somewhere. Where is that? Compilation error. Okay, we didn't add plus here. Plus comma spread two. See, now compilation successful. Now let us save it. So mapping also should be valid, right? Yes, now it's valid. Now we can run this. Yeah. Now click on my jobs and monitor this. Yeah. Now let us refresh this. Yes. So we have refreshed it. Yeah. So now let us see the result. This one, right? See, we got one more. So 1A, 2A, 3. That's it. Which means we can concatenate number of what do you call fields. Yeah. So that's it. Or n number of substrings you can say. Yeah. So now let us try. Let us say we need to add some what. Let us start from the beginning. Let's say we have got this Java import whatever a package. Let's say we need some package which need to be added here. Yeah, example this one. Here we can see import Java dot some other package. Let's say we need to import it. Example math dot star. So which means we are trying to import mathematical stuff here. Where we added, where it is coming. Let us save it and compile. Yeah, it is invalidated, comma. So we need to add comma here, right? So any package should end with a semicolon, right? Not, yeah, now let us compile this. Yes, not successful. So this way we can add n number of packages here. So now, once you do that, we can make use of this what any classes under this package. Similarly, in this particular what helper code, we can add some constant values also. Like for example, static string string. Okay, yeah, string with, let us say, string name is what, str const, yeah. So which is equal to, let's say, abc, yeah. Example. Now let us say what happened, semicolon, right? Now let us say we need to make use of it within this input row. That's where we add logic, right? You can just add it here. So which is, what is the str const, right? So you can just put here. Okay, what happened? Insert. So here we can just add like a plus followed by str const. Yeah. Then semicolon. Yeah. So which means we are adding one constant under helper code, and then same thing has been reused within this the processing code, which is on input row, where we apply the logic. Yeah. So see unclosed character. You can see it. Oh, we have not closed it. Huh? Static string constant. Mm-hmm. What is not closed? Is okay, right? Okay. So I'll just put here simple constant and then initialize str const here. Example str const. Another way to initialize, yeah, some constant value, semicolon. Yeah. Let us see. See, there's a problem here. Which one? Constant initialization is not taken care yet. One second, I steer const. This one. This is okay. It is not visible. Huh? It's a global, right? Helper code. Steer const. Unclosed. Character literal. Line 24. Where is that? Unclosed. It's not taking. Yeah. So which means it is expecting two double quotes, not single. Oh, see, now it is compiled. Instead of double quotes, we get single quote. Now we are using this as part of this processing, right? str const. Now we should get, when you try to save and run, you'll get a constant value also in the target. Yeah. Now let's run this. Yeah. Click on my jobs. Okay, fine. So see, we got all the rows, right? But the result should be different because we added some constant value in the target. See here A, it is truncated. We expect what A, B, C, right? But we got only A because if you put together all the characters, right? How much? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Because the output field length is what 10 characters. So we need to increase that length to get other characters. For example, if you go here, look at this and see precision is what, how much? 10 only. Yeah. So what we need to do? So we need to increase that to larger number. Example 100, right? Yeah, let's compile now. Yes. Now let us and yeah, yeah. Now click on my jobs to monitor this. Yeah. So now refresh this. See, count is same, but we expect even all the even last characters BC, right? It was truncated earlier, right? Now we got it. So this way we can add global static constant. Yeah. So what we did, we just used the template given by Informatica Cloud. So just to cover other particular blocks, right? Example, helper code, we have used it. And then this also we just used it. Yeah. Some mathematical stuff. Yeah. But this part we just added it. We have not used it. But we can also have this usage during later point in time. For now, let's say we just declared and kept it ready for future use. Yeah. So that's it. So this way we can extend this code with n number of what you call statements here. For example, so let us say we can just use ChatGPT where we can take input data. Yeah. See, we can also ask this ChatGPT to write a code for us and then paste it here. That also we can do it. For example, let's say code. Yeah. So write a Java code. Yeah. Or let's say write a Java function, Java method to split row field to three sub three sub fields based on the comma delimiter. So this is how we can generate a code. We don't need to know also Java. We can just supply some input. You'll get the code here. Copy and paste that code within that IACS. Yeah. So nowadays, even if you don't know code, also we can still handle it in this way. See here, we got right. This was the result. We got it. Yeah. Same thing. I've done it. So you guys also can write it. For example, let me copy and paste. Okay, copy and paste here. And let us say here what split, right? Split Java code dot Java. Now we can just go here and Java C colon slash JS slash split Java code. So, okay, so we need to give the same name as class name here. So this one is split row, right? So we need to give the file name as what? Split row. Yeah. So because that's in Java, it is expected. Yeah. Split row. Right. Let us see. See, now it's compiled. Next, we can also run it here by using Java split row. Right. That clause is not there. J is right. We have not specified that part. Could not find. What happened? It's not there. Huh? Clause not one exception. It's there, right? One second. What it contains. This is okay. It's taking data and we are running it. That's all. Hmm. Where are we? This is it. Yes. Okay. So let's go to JS folder and Java. Yeah. Can you see here? That's a problem. It is taking this complete thing is a class. The path is not taken. Now can you see here? So 1A, 2A, 3A, 1B, 2B, 3B, 1C, 2C, whatever. So same thing. We have done it even with our ISCs, right? Outside also we can do it by taking the help from what? ChatGPT. Yeah. So that's it. So we'll extend from here tomorrow. So which means anything and everything can be done here, provided we just need to have some broader picture. So, so we don't need to have what you call syntactical knowledge. Instead, a broader picture, right, where we could do it. Example, uh, without typing anything, right? We still have got the code generated from ChatGPT. We just executed it. If you want the same logic to be used in IICS, copy paste this code over there. There is a template, right? We just have to copy and paste. So you'll get the result. So that's it. So we'll stop here. We'll continue from here tomorrow. Venkat and Ajay. Yeah, fine. Thank you and bye. Yeah, I have another session. Bye. Bye, Venkat.